Hi, today we're looking at business loan application form. So anyone who is looking for a business loan can fill out this application form and they can submit the details for your use case. So we have some of the specific information added up over here, and obviously the candidate can fill in all the details that is relevant. You can add in more information or you can edit this fields as per use case. Everything is editable and customizable as per the requirement. This is just a sample template file for a use case. Once the responses has been filled in, if you go to the responses side, you can see the response getting captured over here like it has been filled out over here. I'm going to quickly fill out one form for a use case, and I'm going to show you how exactly it does it work. So for this, click on share form, click on copy form link. This will capture the form link. Expose this link to the particular applicant who is going to fill out for the business loan. Okay, and they will be able to see this kind of interface. So I'm going to quickly fill in some of the details. Randomly, I'm going to fill in some of the details. So as soon as I fill and submit, you will be able to see the applicant's information getting captured over on the responsive side of things. Okay. So let me quickly fill out stuff. Yeah. So I have quickly filled in some of the details over here. As you can see, all the fields have been filled in. I'm going to click on submit, and now you can see the response has been submitted. So if you go back to the responses side of things, you can see the new submission has been received over here in the responses view. Okay. So likewise, as the candidate is filling all the details, you will be able to see the response getting captured in the responses view. Obviously, you can edit and modify all the fields as per your choice. I also want to highlight about a new tool, that is PDF output. This is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion page, which acts as a source of the template file for the PDF document. And it requires a Notion database, which has all the information that you need to replace on the Notion page to generate documents in bulk. I've added a video of how you can exactly do the same process for invoices. So you can watch this video to understand how you can generate bulk invoices using the exact same workflow that I just mentioned. And if you want to generate any document for your business or any personal needs, just head over to PDF Output and it can help you solve your purpose. And you can contact me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you or assist you with any of the queries or questions that you might have. And I'll be happy to answer any of your thoughts. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, but do check out PDF Output. Thank you.